Has an AI ever given you a response that made you feel like that was not what I needed? Well, I made an AI that does exactly that. Give you the worst advice for any problem or situation that you give. Normal AIs give you good responses and help your situation, but the AI that I made does nothing which is good. It only gives you the worst advice. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I did and how I did it. So, normally AI is built to help you. It answers your questions, it gives you advice, and it solves your problems. Everything it says is always designed to be safe, logical, and correct. Basically, it's optimized to not make mistakes. But I wanted to change that completely. I wanted to flip it over. Not make it random, not make it useless, but make it sound intelligent, but it's going to be completely wrong. And that's not as easy as it sounds. Because AI doesn't actually think, it doesn't understand truth or reality. It predicts the next word based on patterns it has seen before. And it's doing all of that in a place where we can't see. So if you change what it's aiming for, you change what it produces. So instead of accuracy, you push it towards tone and structure. And that's where it becomes even more complicated. Now the goal becomes simple. Use a proper prompt and we tell it to sound confident, use technical language, and follow a clear step by step structure. And then comes the interesting part. Each response is designed to escalate. At first glance, when you read it, you might feel like it might be something genuine. But when you actually pay attention, you notice that it's something that could lead to disaster if you actually pay attention to it and follow it. Because we don't just trust information, we trust how it's presented. And the AI that we have made has structure, confidence, and complexity. Even when what it says doesn't make sense and is completely broken. Because it looks technical, we just assume that it's something we can follow. And even when it's step by step, we assume that it's thought through. If it sounds confident, we assume that it's right and it knows what it's doing. That illusion is exactly what we're going to explore in this project. So, this is not just about making bad advice, it's about exposing how AI actually behaves. It doesn't understand anything, it just imitates patterns, which we term as learning. And patterns can be changed and redirected in many different ways very easily. Now, since we know how our AI is going to work, let's move on to what I did in the code. First, I began by importing the three packages that we need, which is Streamlit, OpenAI, and OS. Then I wrote a single line of code to import our OpenAI key, which I have saved in a .env file. Then I used a few commands from Streamlit, which is streamlit.title and streamlit.write, to give it our UI page a heading and a subheading. Then I wrote a line of code to take input from the user, which is going to be their problem. Now, how our next idea is going to work is it's going to go through the main part, which is going to be the prompt which we will give to the AI. Now, first we start by making sure that only when they click a button called get advice, only then they're going to get their advice. And we also made sure that only if they've given us a problem, it's going to go on. And then we imported our API key before, so we just went ahead and used something called as client.chat.completions.create, which is what we used to create an output from the AI itself. Then we wrote the prompt. The prompt is the most important part of the whole code because we have to specify exactly what needs to be done. And what we have written is that it should sound technical, it should use fake scientific terms, it should give us completely wrong and stuff that doesn't make sense type of advice, and it should go against common sense completely, and it should guide the user into disaster with each step. We also gave it some rules, which is that it should only give us 5 steps, each step should have the maximum of 3 sentences, and that it shouldn't cut off in between. Then we also told it what not to do, which was to give us normal advice, show any empathy, or give us warnings. Then I told it to just give us our detailed step by step terrible solution. Then I also specified how many characters it can use, aka tokens, and I set it to 1000. Now we made a variable called advice in which we set the output. So the output is going to be saved in this variable, and then we use two more Streamlit commands, which is streamlit.write and streamlit.warning. Now write is to just display our output, and warning we used it so if the user hasn't given us a problem, we are going to give a warning to them saying please enter a problem to get advice. Now I ran this, and let's go and see what we got in our Streamlit UI page. So as you can see, it's given us the most weird and absurd advice you could have possibly seen in your life. It's telling us to do things that don't exist, and it's using random scientific terms that aren't real. It's telling us to do something called as a quantum field, and it's using words like bistanum and lanthanum. And all of these are hallucinations. It's not real, it doesn't exist. Now let's try something else. Let's try our dog is not well. Again, it's telling us to do things that don't exist, like a dog acquisition protocol. And one more thing is that I want to give a disclaimer, and that is to not follow anything that this chatbot tells you to do. The code for this is down in the description in a GitHub link. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And don't forget to drop a comment and like, because liking is free too.